Hello, partners! Now you can earn in so many ways. MyPick app is engaged with many offices, restaurants, groceries, and shops. With our new features, customers will be able to tip you too. All you need to do is be online. Let's go through with registration. First, go to mypickapp.com. Click Sign Up as a Driver. Choose your vehicles and fill up your details with valid phone number and email address. Then you have to upload your vehicle information. Remember to validate your email address with MyPick app. Just click the link sent to your email. Next, you must log in as a driver at the website mypickapp.com to add your PayPal email at your dashboard. Please make sure your PayPal email is correct, because after admin approval, without PayPal email, you will not be able to go online. Now registration is completed. All you have to do is download MyPick app on your phone and log in using your email and password that you used to register. Once you are logged in, tap Go Online when you are ready to receive orders. When a customer calls, tap Accept the job and follow the app's notifications. Thank you for watching. See you soon.